Hey, did you know there is a national student seminar conducted by Chinmaya Vishwa for psychology aspirants?
I heard about it. I saw it in a brochure, right?
Yeah, exactly. The brochure is very interesting. I'm totally excited about it. They are accepting papers to submit our papers. It can be theoretical or something like that. So, what are you planning? What is your paper about?
Well, it is interesting, but I'm still thinking what to do and how to do the things.
So first thing I wanted to say, if you wanted to start today. Don't postpone it. Okay, most of our work actually we don't do because we postpone it. Then if you have again confusions, go and approach a teacher. Like your teachers are experts and they can help you in writing. And again now, okay, you may be thinking in terms of, okay, paper presentations, writing a paper and all, it's a very difficult task. I don't know anything and I don't know whether it will be accepted well in the conference and all. You may be thinking in that way. Don't worry, if you know the task, it is easy. So mainly three things are important on an academic or scientific paper. So these three things are: one is the content. So if you have original thoughts, that is what the content that you are going to have. So I know that you most of you are original thinkers. Second one is the structure. So any paper, there should be a proper structure. The structure means how are you organizing the contents. So normal structure is like this: there is an introduction part, then there is a body, and then there is a conclusion. So what should come in the introduction, it has to come there. What should come in the body, it has to come there. What should come in the conclusion, it has to come. If these order, if you follow, definitely your paper will be very good. Third important consideration you have to give, it's on style. Style, it's how are you presenting this to the audience. So audience here are learned audience, so it has to match with the international standards. To facilitate us, we have American Psychological Association, APA, and APA had given us a clear-cut referencing as well as preparation style. So if you are familiar with APA style and if you can follow that, definitely your paper will be very good. So if you can identify the topic, the title, the contents, and then if you are clear with all these style related issues and all, sit for some time, maybe 1 week time or 2 weeks time. And if you can work on a group base, if you work on group, definitely it will reduce your workload and you can actually prepare a paper so fast.
That all is good, but I don't know what are the benefits of attending the student seminar for psychology.
So the answer is, if you are presenting like this, first thing, your communication skill will actually increase, your presentation skills will increase, and presentation skill is actually something that is required for any professionals. And second thing, it's in terms of like writing. So if you increase that, if you can write some relevant paper, it will give you a lot of benefits. Be it like, okay, you carry this paper to an interview, definitely your scope of getting selected will increase. Or if you are going to practice as a professional, there in your CV you can show that you have published a paper, you have presented a paper, you can show it in your CV. So that actually give you a lot of benefit. And the main thing is, like, you have to decide whether you wanted to be an extraordinary student. Extraordinary students only can reach to a height. An extraordinary student, if you wanted to be please present papers, please publish papers, and make it as a habit, that publishing or writing, make it as a habit.
It all seems to be interesting and beneficial, but how do I get inspired?
So this inspiration, it has to come within yourself. It has to come from you, from inside. The thing that you are going to get, it's mainly the satisfaction or the happiness that you are going to get from inside. And this will get only when you try. Okay, when you try, then you get, okay, then you will realize that I'm getting this. So start working on that.
Now it all makes sense.
Yeah, and I'm 100% sure that it's going to be an enriching experience, right?
True.
Let's see.